Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Clary. I'm back again with you. Yeah, and today's video kyamanyikiddwa nti okwosa ejjo ogabadde mazaalibwa ga mwana muwala Sasha Ferguson ng'engeri gye baselebratinzemu birthday ye yabadde yanjawulo wamma era nga w'obalaba we bakutte amasasi ago baatulisizaayo amasasi okulaga nti banyumiddwa birthday yaabwe naye era nga bw'omanyi nti ba social media in-laws bo ekintu ekiba kibaluma bajja vaayo bakyogereko kale era bwe batyo baavuddeyo ne bawa ebirowoozo byabwe nga bo wamu mu birowoozo bye baawadde mwabaddemu omwami Kyagulanyi Ssentamu abangi gwe mumanyi nga Bobi Wine. Anyway, katugende maaso tulabe ki kye baayogedde na ki ekiriwo essaawa zino. So, NBS TV star Canary Mugume and wife Sasha face it hot for posing or holding guns. Netizens have splashed their anger on NBS TV presenter Canary Mugume and his girlfriend after posing with guns in photos. They claim that if it was an ordinary Ugandan or former presidential candidate Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, aka Bobi Wine, posing with the same guns, they would get arrested right away. But since Canary is of the same tribe as President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, he cannot get touched. If this photo was for His Excellence Kyagulanyi and wife Babi, Magere would be full of security and patrols every corner. And forever we shall hear peace is for all. One social media user who identifies as Bayaluka Alistela said, Omonaku Kapere. Another internet user says that in December, over 32 people were jailed for posing firearms, but the government is looking on as Canary and his wife are posing with guns. Jackie Linda also commented on the pictures and said that the couple is not bothered because they have never tested any injustices and criminality. They can still smile because impunity has not yet knocked on their door. It's soon than they expect for them. They think all is well and they can put on yellow and they will think they have arrived. Okay, we don't want to see you crying on social media. For now, continue, she said. It shall be noted that there is a gun shooting area in Kapeka, Nakaseke district known as China-Uganda Exchange Club shooting range where Ugandans revelers go and have fun with guns. Gun ownership by civilians in Uganda is legal as long as they are licensed. Anyway, without saying much, that was all about how netizens had to comment on Canary Mugume and wife Sasha, who had to shoot guns in a way of celebrating the wife's birthday, which happened yesterday. Anyway, happy belated birthday to the wife of Canary Mugume. We wish you the best of luck. And anyway, I've remained your girl, Clary. One thing, do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that whenever I get a chance to upload any of my new videos, you're always there to watch. Like, share, and comment. I love you all. Bye-bye.